called a Benham Disk. And what's gonna happen is when we spin really fast using the fidget spinner,
colors!
we're gonna see colors. That's gonna be amazing. Okay, so let's cut these out.
You can buy these spinners at Walmart on Walmart.com. I mean for the mail.
You can get them in the mail, that's right. So you don't even have to leave the house if you're doing quarantine. I have to cut out the middle of these Benham Disks if we're going to adapt them to the fidget spinners.
Hey Dot, I have a dangerous video at 3 a.m.
3 a.m. seems to be the danger time, huh?
Yeah, and I was making a spinner have different colors, have black on it, and I was searching it, and he comes from the mail, and I checked out and doing a sweep, and I hear a noise.
Ready to check out this one?
And the fender was gone.
Wow, lost fidget spinner. Hey, you want to check out this one?
And that was.
What do you think, Liam?
And the fender.
Tell me if you see any colors.
And the fenders moved, and he have a knife in his hand.
Whoa, okay. Hey.
And I just picked the knife up.
Liam, tell me what colors do you see with this one? Ready?
Cheese.
Oh.
I just see cheese.
Oh, whoa! I saw blue, yellow, red.
I see one.
Did you see all those?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if the audience can see it. The viewers.
I saw blue.
Can you see the different colors?
Whoa! I just saw blue.
Let's see. Do you see the different lines? So you know what? Nobody really knows what's happening. They think that some of the receptors in your eyes, like your rods and your cones.
Hey guys, this one is the knife.
Guess what? That they're going on and off because of the black and the white, and that they're going on and off at different times. And that's why, even though it's black and white, we're seeing some colors. Because look, I see some green and red and yellow.
I see some too.
Whoa, what do you see? What colors do you see on this one?
Green.
Okay, should we try another one? So, did you get a new pen, Liam?
Yes, I did. This one's better.
Oh, good. That is better. Yep, draw a pattern on that. That'll be perfect. And then after we try this one, we can try your pattern and see how it works.
We're done.
Okay. You want to do yours first or do this one first?
This one. This one.
Okay, let's do the one that Liam drew.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be great. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's see how many colors we see.
Green!
Whoa, I saw red for sure.
Red!
I think you can see some yellow.
And guys, this one, I just did the spinner and knife.
And spin it. Faster, let's do faster. Even faster. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Can you see any colors like red, yellow? Look at that. Look at that. Liam, do you see the colors? Look.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's a lot of colors. And look, when it stops, it's just black and white. Right? So even though we see a lot of colors when it's going so fast, and nobody really knows why you see colors when it's going so fast when it's just black and white. We just know that we do. But they think that it's because the receptors in your eyes maybe are being turned on and off too quickly, and they respond at a little bit different time. And so instead of seeing black and white, you just see different colors. Pretty cool though, huh? It's a pretty fun thing. One fun?
Hey guys, someone draw on my phone.
Oh, was that someone you?
Stop phone.
Okay guys, so hey,
I think this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
And click the like button, share this with your friends. And
what do you
click
say,
the
Liam?
notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.